In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your app experience by managing its settings effectively, ensuring your usability is as smooth as possible. We all rely on apps for a multitude of daily tasks, whether for productivity, entertainment, or communication. However, sometimes apps can become overwhelming with features that may not be necessary or even desired. One common feature is the call to action or CTA, which is designed to prompt users to take a specific action. While CTAs can be helpful, they can sometimes clutter your experience. So, let's go through how you can either disable these CTAs, remove them, or even delete the app if it no longer serves your needs. The first step is to check your app settings. Open the app you want to adjust and look for the settings menu. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Accessing this menu will reveal various options that you can tweak to tailor the app to your liking. You might find options like notifications, account preferences, or display settings. What you're looking for specifically is an option related to the call to action feature. The goal here is to strip away unnecessary distractions, allowing you to interact with the app more clearly and efficiently. Once you've located the settings, the next move is to disable or remove the call to action feature. This option might be found under different labels, such as notifications, app display, or even preferences, depending on the app. Disabling a CTA might not be immediately apparent, but persevere and explore different categories within settings. Some apps might offer a simple toggle or checkbox to disable this feature. It can make the app cleaner and less cluttered, reducing any interruptions from undesired prompts and letting you focus on the content or functionality you actually want. If, after adjusting the settings, you realize that the app still doesn't fulfill your expectations or necessities, consider removing it entirely. You might find that removing an app can free up space on your device or even reduce background activity, both of which can enhance your device's performance and save your battery life. To remove the app, simply return to your device's home screen or app drawer, locate the app, and hold down on its icon until an option to uninstall or delete appears. Confirm your choice and the app will be removed from your device. And there you have it. By carefully managing your app settings, disabling or removing the call to action features, or even removing the app altogether when it's no longer needed, you can significantly streamline your experience. Your device should now